Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I'm back, guys, on behalf of the Conversion Pros, a marketing system tool suite that I partnered with almost 2 years ago. Okay, so still using this system. I have so many links and pages I've built with this thing, so many contacts in here over time that I have created. So this is definitely a system I will be keeping. Just wanted to come back and show you how great of a system it is, guys. It's almost 2 years old. Across the top here, several tabs: TCP webinars, TCP training, TCP affiliate training. This marketing suite can be used to promote any business, okay? Whether it's online, offline, whether you are a lawn care, hairstylist, real estate agent, online marketer, does not matter. You can use this system. This system not only you can use to promote any other programs, but the company teaches you as an affiliate marketer. They have training for you just in general for anybody out there that's an entrepreneur. Okay, so that's what I like. There's affiliate training, there's system training to teach you how to use the system. There's video tutorials for everything. Everything that's featured here, there's a video for it. We have TCP webinars as well. Okay, so to my left, once you log in, you're going to click Fast Start. Go there, and it's going to show you step by step how to get started. Okay, we have share codes. So if you have a team out there and you guys want to use the same page, or you have pages you want to share with your team, you can do that. Just simply send them your share code. They copy it, and voila, they have a page. So you can do that with your autoresponder and your landing pages. Okay. We also have leads, guys, real-time leads. If you're looking for people to actually pick up the phone and call, you can purchase leads in here. You'll receive their name, phone number, and email. Okay. So very reasonable. And then you can also place those people in your autoresponder that you already have existing and start emailing them your autoresponder. Okay, so we also have a feature called the SMS text message feature. This feature, guys, is for when you have a capture page and you ask someone to put in their name, email, and phone number. Once they do that, you're able to actually text them. Okay, all you have to do is go back here and buy your credits, and you can text your leads. Okay, all your websites are here, your affiliate links, so you can market those. And all of your people in your downline are right here in your summary. Okay, so right here is all the suite of tools that you have. To your left, and if you come down, there's the same tools. It's kind of like your cell phone, where you have all your icons. There they are at the bottom of the page, and then to your left, they're to the left. Same icons, okay? And as I mentioned, again, right here, all these videos to teach you how to use the system, okay? Once you log in, you go here, join our Facebook group. The owner is very active in the Facebook group. He will speak to you. He speaks to the group, and he's very active, and he replies, okay? So I really like that about him. So once you take your 7-day trial, you get a 7-day trial. They don't even ask you for your credit card. So you have nothing to lose. You get full access without even using a credit card. Okay? Then if you like what you see, you can go and log in and click the upgrade now button, and you pay your $50. And you get paid $25 for everybody you refer to the Conversion Pros. That's residual income, and that is paid every Friday. They pay via e-wallet or PayPal. Okay, you decide. All right, guys. So what I want to show you real quick before I do that, though, I want to show you some of my favorite features that I use. Okay, of course, the contact manager, so that I can see all my leads. The autoresponder. By the way, there is no cap on how many contacts you can have in the Conversion Pros. I haven't seen that anywhere. Okay, typically there is a cap. So I pretty much use the Conversion Pros as my autoresponder and my marketing system. So I can literally send an email to my people every day. I can text them. There's no cap on how many people I can have stored in my system, and I still spend $50. They don't charge you any more. If I had 10,000 people, they're not going to charge me any more money. Okay? It's still $50. So, you're getting a great system for that. The link rotator, that's great. The tiny URL system, I love that as well. So let me show you one of the pages. This is a landing page I created. And if there's any pages you guys like, once you join me, I'll be happy to share those with you too, okay? All right, this is a page. Just want to show you how you can take your video and put it in here. Create the verbiage here. Put your video there. Come down here, plug in your company's video as well. And you can send this to your list. These are the type of pages I send to my list. This is the landing page, okay? So, very creative, and it's real easy to use it. Now, we also have pre-built pages, guys, right here. Let me show you. Let me show you that. Doesn't matter what industry you're in, we have pages for you. Okay, as you can see here, weight loss, nutrition, travel, coffee, makeup, skincare, Bitcoin, MCA, money, lifestyle, women, pages for women that cater to women, credit repair, work at home moms, shopping, car programs, stocks, Amazon, mobile apps. The list goes on and on, guys. Martial arts, weddings, whatever. Cable, water, real estate, hair. These pages are already built for you. You can simply plug your company's information in here and use these pages, okay? So it's nothing complicated. This is very easy, and you have step-by-step videos. If you can press play, simply click the play little button there. You can do this, okay? Watch it, and then you can rewind them, okay? So you can learn how to do this very easily, okay? So this is the Conversion Pros. I've been in it almost 2 years, and I love this system because it's real simple and easy to maneuver around. And I have so many pages out here. I took a look earlier, and I had about 400 pages already created in this system. So I'm very familiar with how to use it at this point, of course. But it's real easy, guys. So don't complicate this at all. Get started. They don't ask you for a credit card. So you can try the whole system for 7 days for yourself and see for yourself if you like it. If you do, just go in the back office and upgrade, all right? So one more thing. Let me show you this real quick. We also have what we call a webinar builder. Okay, so this is one, is this the page that I created? Yes, as you can see, it's counting down. I created the page to be scheduled between 2 a.m. and 10 p.m. So right now it's in between. That's why it's saying it's 53 minutes before the next webinar. So isn't that pretty cool that you can do the same thing for your company, whatever you're promoting? Okay, you can plug a video in here, okay, and set the times up, guys. And I have it like every 2 hours between 2 a.m. and 10 p.m. Okay, and as you can see, if someone happened to click the email, say you sent an email or something, they will go here and they'll go, oh, it doesn't start for 52 minutes. So this looks very professional. Okay, so they're going to either go back if they're really interested, say, oh, we're going to go back in an hour and I'm going to check it out. Okay, so webinar builder. So this is pretty cool. All right, so check out the Conversion Pros. You get all this, guys, for $50. Unlimited autoresponder. That's really what blew me away when I got started, because I had another autoresponder, and they cap you out, okay, at a certain amount of contacts, and then the price goes up. With TCP, the conversion pros, they don't do that. You can have as many contacts in here as you want. You can have as many lead page capture pages as you want. You can send out as many emails as you want per day. Okay, so this is a awesome tool, okay, to have in your toolbox. So I'm gonna put the link below so you can take the 7-day trial. If you like what you see, go ahead and upgrade, and call me if you have any questions. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also click the notification button so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, thank you for checking this out, and I'll see you guys on the inside. See you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.